on day dresses, but you will for evening, which is when the women would go to dinner. And they wouldn't wear hats to dinner. It was so formal that you wouldn't see women on the Titanic with these big hats when they're going to dinner. They'd have a fancy hairdo. They might have a headband with a feather, but they're not going to have the big hats at dinner time. They will have white gloves and a fancy dress such as this, many times short sleeve because it's evening, so it's more formal. Maybe a fan, maybe a type of scarf, okay? But you won't see the big hats at this point, and you will see the trains on the gowns. And the men wore what's known as white tie. What is that? What does that mean? I think we've kind of lost that whole idea by now. Tuxedo? But what does white tie mean? Tails. Well, it's tails. That's tails, but... Okay. White vest, which they called a waistcoat. There's a fabric called white piqué, which was common during that time. It was single-breasted. And white bow tie. Now, black could be worn, but white was considered more formal. So that was white tie. Yep.